see where we are on this thing. I think we're down. We're going to close this off. We're going to conclude this meeting, this portion of the meeting at 4:31, Cindy. We're going to adjourn to closed session, and then we'll reconvene afterwards.
You do need to open it up for public comment prior to going into closed session.
Thank you. Keeping me straight. Okay, public comment before we go into I'm repeating what the boss has said.
You've heard everything from me.
Okay.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Okay.
Do your thing.
All right. Thank you, Wes.
See you later.
Okay. Any other public comment before we go to closed session?
We're going to keep the outside place of use statement.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
There's still research being conducted on that. I spoke with Cindy about that a couple weeks ago, and they're still looking into that.
I think that would be, I mean, as far as putting a lid on it, that's what started the discussion about the annual report.
Correct.
You know, because in reality, it's not, we're not going to ever approach that point of being in excess.
Right.
But we've got to, when we do the accounting at the end of the year, we want to make sure that what we put out of the wells is more than what we sell to people that aren't within that. At the same time, we're going to be developing a map. That'll be another agenda item. Something to account for who those people are.
More work to be done.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because that's important. Because
We all agree. I think
the reason I say that, because the rumor has it, people who are outside place is going to be joining, and the people wouldn't know about it, what's going on. Joining, requesting to be put in.
We're already here.
Yes, but probably there'll be more people. There's several developers wants to get water from the district, and they are completely outside place of use.
Oh, you mean annexed into the district, or ones that are already annexed in?
No, there are still outside place of use, but they want to try to go to sell the land, so you can get the water from a CSD.
Yeah, and I was just asking you, were these people already annexed in?
No.
Or, oh, no.
No.
They got to go through the process.
Yeah, they would have to go
That's
through the
for this
process.
those people, they don't exist as far as
What?
Okay. All right.
people that are in the district.
Okay. Any other comments? If not, thank you all for coming. Have a great day. Pray for rain.